Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how you can make an intro video for YouTube. So what you have to do now is to click on YouTube channel, click on the Play Store, then you search Legend. You have Legend. Okay, you search Legend. Search Legend. So after searching the Legend, then you install the Legend. You install Okay, as you can see, Legend uses the app to make an intro video for WhatsApp or for YouTube. Sorry. So this is the sample of the application. After the installation, then you open it. Okay. Then you open the app. So we open the app. Okay. Sorry, it's a bit slow. Okay. Okay, it's open already. So we start. Click on start. Okay, sorry. So what do we have in mind? What is the name of the channel that we are making an intro video for? So maybe okay, wizard game, or you say welcome. Okay, let's say welcome to wizard game. Good. So we click next, then we play the video. Okay. Okay, now it's shown already, so we can pick different display. We have different display here. So it is what to video intro. Sorry, it's a little bit slow. Yeah, we can pick any color: blue, white, red, black. You can pick any color. Then we can have different lettering. These are the description here. Okay, transition rather. So we have different formats here. You can pick a cast or a stop mo, point black. We have different design. Okay, let's pick this blink. Okay, blink and blue. Okay. Okay, now this is what we are. This is the intro we just produced now. So we can save either as GIF or as video. Just save it as video like this. Okay, it's a little bit slow, so I'm very sorry. Ready, you can view it. Okay, it's already, so you can view it. So this is the video this is the intro video we just produced now. So what we have to do now is it's ready for you to be used. It's ready for you to use it now. Just all you have to do now is just to go to your file, then merge it with the video you just produced to publish on YouTube. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to give us a like, comment and subscribe. Thanks very much.